Session 32. Forming equations from word problems. 3 times a number plus 5 is 20. Let the unknown number be x. 3 times the number is 3x. Plus 5 gives 3x plus 5, and is 20 means equals 20. So the equation is 3x plus 5 equals 20. By the end, you'll define an unknown, translate key relationships, form equations from money and geometry stories, solve them, and interpret the answer. An equation turns a stated relationship into mathematics. Words such as total, difference, each, and equals tell you which operations connect the quantities. Define the variable first, build one expression for each described quantity, connect equal expressions with an equal sign, then solve. Word equations help us find missing values in familiar situations. Shopping problems can combine a fixed charge with a cost of several identical items. Perimeter problems connect unknown side lengths to a known total distance. Comparing two plans creates an equation when both plans have the same total cost. Writing what x represents prevents the answer from losing its meaning or units. Building the expression one phrase at a time makes the operation order visible and reduces guessing. Substituting the solution back into the story checks both the mathematics and the interpretation. Mia has some stickers, receives 7 more, and then has 25. Let x be her starting number. Starting stickers plus 7 gives the total, so x plus 7 equals 25. Subtract 7 from both sides. X equals 18, so Mia started with 18 stickers. A booking costs £6 per ticket plus one fixed fee of £4. The total is £34. Let it be the number of tickets. £6 for each ticket is 6t, then add 4. 6t plus 4 equals 34. Subtract 4 to get 6t equals 30, then divide by 6. 5 tickets were booked. A rectangle has width 5 centimeters, unknown length L, and perimeter 30 centimeters. Perimeter repeats length plus width twice, so 2 times the quantity L plus 5 equals 30. Divide by 2 to get L plus 5 equals 15, then subtract 5. The length is 10 centimeters. Complete example. Plan A costs £8 to start plus £3 per month. Plan B costs £5 per month. Let M be the number of months. Equal costs give 3M plus 8 equals 5M. Subtract 3M from both sides. 8 equals 2M. Divide by 2, so M equals 4. After 4 months, Plan A cost 12 plus 8, or £20. Plan B costs 5 times 4, also £20. Don't use X before defining what it represents. Include its unit when the story has one. Watch phrase order. 5 less than 3x means 3x minus 5, not 5 minus 3x. And answer the question in context. A solution of 5 may mean 5 tickets, not simply the number 5. Practice question 1. A number plus 9 is 23. What is the number? Option A is 32. Option B is 12. Option C is 14. Option D is 9. Pause, define x, form the equation, and solve. Option C is correct. The number is 14. The equation is x plus 9 equals 23. Subtract 9 from both sides to get x equals 14. Practice question 2. 4 identical notebooks plus a £3 delivery fee cost £27. What is each notebook's price? Option A is £6. Option B is £7. Option C is £24. Option D is £5. Pause. Let N be one notebook's price and form the total cost equation. Option A is correct. Each notebook costs £6. 4n plus 3 equals 27. Subtract 3 to get 4n equals 24, then divide by 4. Practice question 3. A rectangle has width 4 centimeters and perimeter 24 centimeters. What is its length? Option A is 4. Option B is 10. Option C is 16. Option D is 8. Pause. Use the perimeter equation 2 times length plus width equals 24. Option D is correct. The length is 8 centimeters. 2 times the quantity x plus 4 equals 24. Divide by 2 to get x plus 4 equals 12, then subtract 4. Let's wrap up. Define the unknown clearly, including what it measures. Translate the relationship phrase by phrase and use an equal sign only where the story says quantities match. Solve the equation, substitute to check, and state the answer with its meaning and units. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.